Hello Sanibonani beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video it's going to be a quick one. I am just here to remind you about the competition that we are running for the December holidays, for the festive season. Please do make sure that you share the video and you make sure that you share the information with anyone that you know who might qualify to win the prizes. It is a very simple and straightforward competition. All you need to have is an African talent. It can be any African talent. There are no rules about what you need to do. There is no age restriction. Please do put your phone like this. This will make it easy to view your video, to view your footage. Another thing that you need to know is that competition closes at 12 midday on the 18th of December, Friday the 18th of December. And then after that, we will be choosing 6 videos, which we will upload on our social media platforms on Thenjiwe TV. And then people who watch our channel will vote for the best video that they like more than the others. The one with the most positive comments will win first prize, and then there'll be second prize and third prize. People do not need to pay a cent in order to vote for you. They just have to have your link and watch you on our channel, and then they will vote. If you would like to enter, this is the number that you need to use to send us a WhatsApp of your video. Please WhatsApp your video. This is a South African number. If you are outside South Africa, the South African international code is +27. +27. So please do send us your video. We are looking forward to watching you and to looking at your talent. And please note that this is not just about money. Even if you do not win, it might also be an opportunity to expose you to other people who might see you and decide, ooh, there's talent there, and use you for their future projects. So please do share the video with people that you know are talented. It doesn't matter how old you are. You can be 2 months old, you can be a day old, you can be 105 years old, 200 years old, as long as you are alive and you have an African talent. Please do send us the video, and we are looking forward to seeing you. There is no limit to the time, but we would like to make sure the videos are not longer than 10 minutes and they are not less than 2 minutes, because if it's less than 2 minutes, there's not really much to watch. But then depending on what you do, because some people are doing things that can really be done in a minute and you can watch and be entertained in a minute. So please do send. And yeah, that's all. By 18th of December, 12 midday, South African time. It can be anything. It could be your child who knows it's 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙑 𝙁𝙤𝙧. It could be anything, absolutely anything. You could be Pansula dancing 94-year-old or 12-year-old. Could be a group. It doesn't have to be one person. If you know a group that has talent, ask them to record themselves, or record them if you have the means to record them, if you have a better camera. Enter the competition and yeah, let them win the prize. And I won't be choosing the winner. You guys who watch Thenjiwe TV will be the ones voting. You will vote, not be secret. It will just be comments. So whoever has the most comments, and the winner will get their money on the 23rd, December 23rd. They will be announced on the morning of the December 23rd before midday, and they will get their money before the end of the day on that day. There will be 3 winners. First prize, 1,000. Second prize, 500. Third prize, 250, and the money is in South African rands. So yes, and guys, I would also like to encourage you to please use this time to give to somebody. If you can give anybody anything, sometimes those old shoes you don't like anymore can be new shoes to somebody. Those clothes that are just hanging with the price tag still, it could help a child who doesn't have Christmas clothes. I know how important it is for us, especially in South Africa. I don't know about other countries. Please do share down below what you guys do in your country for Christmas. For us, it was a big thing to have brand new clothes on Christmas Day. So if you do know a child who needs something that you can help with, please do help. If you know a family who doesn't even have money to buy a bag of rice, rice and chicken is a big thing in an African home. Buy them a bag of rice and chicken before you buy that expensive alcohol. Sometimes that bottle of champagne could feed a family. And please, let us have a giving heart. We've all had a very, very rough 2020. Let us make it our point to try and help at least one person, make somebody's Christmas brighter. Let us help. And also parents, let us not get carried away by festive season. January always comes and it seems like, it was a surprise. We didn't know January was coming. We thought it was going to be September, February, March. Like, guys, January is coming. January is the beginning of the school year in South Africa. Make sure that you have the money put aside for your children's uniform. Make sure you have money put aside for your first day back at work so that you can be able to go to work, because there's nothing more embarrassing than someone who was throwing parties every day during the festive season, and now January comes, they don't even have money to go to work. They don't have money to get on a bus to go to work. People don't have money for their children to get school uniform or to even go to school or to pay registration fees. Let us be responsible. We saw what 2020 brought for us. Even if you know you have a job, you do not know if by January you will still have it. Cash is king. Let us hold on to the cash that we have and try and minimize on spending just because it's festive season, just because it's December. And that President, shame, he told us to be careful of beaches. President said, do not go, avoid the beach. Please, let us listen to our president and respect him, especially you married men. Stay at home. No beaches this festive season. Do not go to the beach.
One of the greatest challenges we need to confront are the huge crowds that flock to our beaches on public holidays over the festive season. In KwaZulu-Natal beaches, the beaches are prohibited. Specific beaches will be closed. This is a most trying situation for all of us.
You all heard what President Cyril Ramaphosa said. Do not go to the beach. Do not go to the beach, because that's where you get infected. That's where you get infected. Do not go to the beach. Do not go to the beach. Do not go to the beach. Stay at home. Not going to the beach. Not going to the beach, because that's where you get infected. That's where you get infected. So yeah, guys, let us be responsible. Let us try and remember at all times that Mr. Rona is still around. Mr. Rona is still within us. Let us social distance. Let us put on our masks. Let us not get carried away and forget that we are still going through the pandemic. We are going through the second wave. South Africa, you are also going through the second wave. And some countries, they are back on lockdown. Here in the UK, we're back on lockdown. So yeah, let us just be careful. The numbers are growing. Let us be responsible. Let us all do our best to see 2021 and to make it a better year with less deaths and less casualties. Otherwise, please do not forget to share the news about the competition, and do not forget that Sis Thenjiwe loves you. And I do appreciate all the love and the support that you give me, especially on my social media platforms. I love you guys. You make it so much easier for me to be myself. And please do not forget to subscribe to Thenjiwe Unplugged. I have so many videos that are planned for this channel for the coming year. I love you guys. Go to Thenjiwe TV. Enter the competition, share the video with people who are talented, and let us get that money out to the people who deserve to win it. First prize is 1,000 rand, second prize 500 rands, and the third prize is 250 rands. Thank you so much. I love you. Please don't forget to subscribe. It is absolutely 100% free, mahala to subscribe. And this is my new channel, Thenjiwe Unplugged. Please do help me to get to the 1,000 subscribers so that I will be able to go live on this channel. You need 1,000 subscribers in order to be able to go live on YouTube. And please do watch all my old videos. I have just uploaded a lot of my old vlogs on this channel. Please do watch them, and I will be putting a lot of new content very soon, and from the beginning of next month I will be putting content very regularly. In the meantime, please watch the content that I have already uploaded on this channel. I love you guys. I wish you all the best. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Mwah.